Hi, my name is Abhay Deol.
Hi, I'm Preeti Desai.
And you are watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.
1/2 नाम तो देविका ने रखा है. देविका भगत is my director. And जब उसने मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट सुनाया मुझे बहुत पसंद आया और उसके पास टाइटल ऑलरेडी था. आई थिंक एट वन लेवल उसने ये टाइटल को सिम्बॉलिकली इस्तेमाल किया गया फिल्म में और उसके अलग अलग इस्तेमाल हम कर सकते हैं. यू नो, एक ही ज़िंदगी दो लोग की ज़िंदगी इतनी फेमिलियर है, सिमिलर है अदर. या फिर आप कह सकते हैं कि एक ही सपना लेकिन उसके दो अप्रोचेस उस सपने को रियलाइज़ करने के लिए, तो वैसे ही इसको इस्तेमाल किया गया है इन डिफरेंट वेज. दो दिल एक जान, वो भी आप कह सकते हैं. इतनी भी ज़्यादा रोमांटिक नहीं है फिल्म, थोड़ा सा रोमांस है इसमें.
I feel great. I'm super excited. I haven't seen the film myself yet, so I'm going to see it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait. I just want it to be released already and see what the reactions are, see what people think.
What exactly is happening, I don't think I should tell you, because then I'll be giving you the story.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, you've caught on to basically what the song means. You've caught on to basically how the character's behaving. Now, I mean, the whole object of marketing is to give you an emotion, but not to give you a reason for that emotion. Because if we give you the reason of that emotion too, then we'll be giving you the plot. Then why will you come watch a movie?
Samara's a dancer. She's been dancing ever since she was a little girl. And she's trying to make it in the city as a famous dancer. So you see that. You see her trying to struggle and pursuing her dream.
I have imagined, okay, where would I be 20 years from now or 30 years from now for sure. But I've never actually made aged image of myself.
I sent you one, remember?
You sent me one. किसी और ने किया हुआ था. चक्रव्यूह का पोस्टर लिया हुआ था, मेरा चेहरा लिया था वहाँ से और उसको एज किया हुआ था. बुड्ढा बनाया था मुझे.
I did it.
You had aged it?
I did it.
I thought you said someone's aged this and sent it to you.
No, I did it and I sent it to you.
देखो घर पे ही बैठी है मेरी एक.
I was
just to remind
I was at home bored.
Beauty is only skin deep.
I was so bored. I was like, oh, what is this app? It was an app which ages you, and I thought, oh, this is interesting, and it's quite funny, so I sent it to him.
I kept thinking you had done it. I mean,
I did do it.
And send it to you.
No,
sorry.
I did it.
Okay.
That you've got to see the film to see what I was doing there. Yeah, that's just like a little sneak peek. It's a teaser. They call it a teaser for a reason. I'm not going to give it away. He'll kill me. I've done it by mistake and I've done it on purpose also. Yeah. You always go, you go if you're out or something, there's always a line in the girls' toilets, right? You see the girls' toilets, there's always a line outside. When I need to go, I get desperate. So I see that the men's is empty, there's no one hardly in there. So I'll go in there, I'll batter my eyelids and say, excuse me, can I please go? And they're like, yeah. The guys always let you go, so I always do that.
Once, there was nobody there, but and the men's, there was 2 cubicles actually. I don't know why they had male and female cubicle.
No, we need male and female cubicle. Yes,
okay,
we
so
do.
for whatever reason they had that. The men's cubicle was shut. I saw one cubicle open, it was a female. I looked around, कोई नहीं है, ठीक है चलो इस्तेमाल कर लेते हैं, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, वैसे भी और कोई और तो है नहीं यहाँ पे. When I walked out तब लाइन थी. लड़की